Hey, hi guys. So I am at Sol by Melia at Phu Quoc Island. So I'm just sharing with you my room tour for the moment, the positives, the negatives, and everything. So this is the room which I'm sharing with one of my roomie. Like I'm here with a group. So this is my room, and all my things are here. So it looks something like this. Like at night I will show you again how it looks. Right now, for the time being, I'm showing you the lighting. Then there are these chairs. Just ignore the mess because I've just entered. So these are the cushions, and these chairs can be placed outside as well. So I'm just going outside. I've got a big huge balcony, because in Vietnam they give you big balconies. So this is the balcony, along with the seating arrangement if you want to have tea and all in the morning, or water and all, with the greenery view. This private beach, if you see. So this is the private beach of this property itself. So all these other rooms are this side, and as I was telling you, I've got this seating arrangement in the sun for the morning, and here another rack which you can use. So the concept here is majorly white, that is adorning the entire property. So the white is brilliant, and the usage of colors, blues and whites, are so damn beautiful. You have a LCD. I don't know from where these lights, I switched them on, switched them off. I can't see the lighting properly, but yes, I will once open the windows. Okay, yeah, so that some lighting comes. Then another thing I saw, these chargers are not working. Indian chargers are not working. You need a universal charger for this. Okay, so chargers need to be bought when you come to Phu Quoc and Vietnam specifically. So these chargers are not working, which I brought. Again, this big Bisleri water, instead of water bottle, they've given you a big Bisleri bottle for drinking water, because it's very warm here. I will show you the wardrobe. So this is the wardrobe. Another one, this is the wardrobe. Then the normal tea, coffee you have. Okay, and what do you call it, the electric heater, the kettle. Then these for shoes and all. Okay, and then this one, it's the fridge, a mini fridge, if you see, right? So it was here. Now I will go through the the clothing. See, these are open wardrobe. This is the open wardrobe wherein you can hang your clothes on this what do you call it, on this on the hangers. You can hang your clothes. And as we are two people, so two sections we would be using. Now coming to the see, this is the size of the lower wardrobes. Here we can keep shoes, open shoes. Okay, slippers also they are providing. I don't know of other hotel brands, but these people are providing. Last but not least, a big wardrobe. Like if you see this wardrobe is like this big wardrobe with a locker facility, right? And just look, this is so cute. This is a jewelry box, if you see, along with a cover. And these are the wardrobes, big wardrobes, quite lavish. The storage is way too much good, very nice. And up also, up you can keep your bags up after emptying them, and like after some week vacation you can use it. Now coming to the washroom, it's a western toilet, and you can see it has a budget, which is the very main concern for Indians, so, and many others as well. So this can be closed, and this is like partially closed, like from up half of the glass is missing. So this was, and the dustbin is also here. Then I come to this and I say hi, don't judge me, this is me after 3 flights, so this has to be. So lighting, I think it is a little off. I do not find lighting very high lighting, because for makeup we as women require heavy lighting. So this is my you have the like hand dryer, hand wash, then you have the body milk, and the basic things: vanity kit, shower cap, and dental kits, comb. So these are the very basic things which you have. So here's the washroom. The best thing is that somebody can brush their teeth here and another person can use the washroom, and this is the bath area. So they have this huge shower for the bath area. Again, shower shampoo and gel conditioner is there. And here you can, this is the tub you have if you want to use the tub. So this is the size. If you see, I'll show you from behind. So this is the size of this, quite big. And I'll just show you one more thing. See, this is like this. So if I go like this, on this side, my left side, I have my washroom. On the right side, I have my like a bathing area, and in the middle I have my wash basin with everything. So none of the washrooms are restricted. The biggest flaw I found, there should be a closure out here. In case it smells badly, then the entire room will become smelly. First things first. Second thing, if you go just across here, you have your clothes outside, okay, and everything is outside. So every like they say that washrooms should be closed, or else the toxins of the washrooms come out of the washrooms in the rooms. So this wardrobe just outside, that too open washroom, I mean, a very not good option for me. At least I would want either a closed wardrobe or the washroom to be closed. Okay, so for me, maybe I do not personally keep stuff out here. Maybe my roomie will keep it. I can max I can keep my shoes in these wardrobes. Okay, so this is all about it. So I told you the positive and the negative. One more thing, like this is a big mirror which you have for doing makeup and all. So like if I stand in the middle, it's like this. And this room, just if you withdraw the curtains, it is very full of light. You hardly need any lights for this room. You don't need lights. So it is good lighting, and well, if you open this, then it becomes very well ventilated with lots of oxygen, because outside, if you see, it's all greenery and greenery. Okay guys, that's all for the room visit, room tour. I will be doing the tour of the property as well, so just check it out. So this looks pretty aesthetic as per me, and for now, because I am at day 1 and just been 1 hour, so I like the room truly. Okay, thank you guys.
So where I'm living is, I can see the sea from my room. Yeah, this view is so beautiful, so healing. First thing in the morning when you see the water, and I am a water sign, bro. Scorpions want to be, want to be with water, in water, feel water. I love going.